Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. We are from 𝐏𝐫𝐫 Solutions, a software company, and today we're here to guide you on setting up your opening stock and pricing if you're starting a new business, whether it's retail, wholesale, or trading. If you haven't yet inaugurated your business or started operations, here's what you need to do. For all product details, as we discussed in the previous video, make sure you fill in the upper column details, but leave the lower sections empty for now. Why? Because you need to enter proper purchase bills in the purchase details section. As you continue purchasing from vendors, you will keep adding these purchase bills systematically. Exciting, right? We will show you exactly how to do this in our next video. Now, if you already have a running business, here's how you will enter your opening stock and pricing. 1. Go to the Products module. 2. Click on Products. 3. Load all your available products. The ones you have already ordered will be displayed. 4. Search for any product by name or load all products from a particular company. 5. Want to edit a product's stock? Click on it and make the necessary changes. Now comes the important part. You need to fill in the lower sections with accurate details. Batch number. If your product has a batch number, like in pharmaceuticals or FMCG, enter it here. Physical quantity, enter the exact number of pieces available in your business, e.g. 3 pieces, 4 pieces, etc. Purchase price, enter the price at which you bought the item. Sometimes you may not have an exact purchase price, especially for opening stock, so you can enter an average purchase price instead. Selling price, the price at which you want to sell the product. Wholesale price and comment price. These fields are useful if you are a wholesaler. Now, here's something cool. The comment price is optional, but super useful. If you're a distributor, you can type in the price at which you want to sell. For example, if the sale price is $300 now, you might set the comment price at $490. You decide what works best for your business. So, are you ready to set up your opening stock and pricing like a pro? The bill you create will display the prices you attach to it at purchase time. These prices are fixed, but don't worry, you can change them at the billing time if needed. Next, you have the option to set an expiry date. This is super important for businesses dealing with expiry products or medicated items. To set the expiry date, simply enter the date first, add a slash, then the month, and finally the year. Make sure to follow the correct format, 2 digits for the day and month, adding a 0 before single digits if necessary, and 4 digits for the year. Once done, save the item with this expiry information. Easy, right? Now, if you're running a business and need to add an item along with its opening stock, you can do that right here. Just enter the opening stock, purchase price, sale price, and selling price if needed. Want to add comments like expiry details? Go for it. But wait, pay close attention to the unit option. This is crucial. Let's say you have an item that comes in a pack of 76 units. If you're adding stock in bulk, select the base unit. However, if you prefer working with smaller units and have the purchase and selling price for those, select the secondary unit. Remember, the secondary unit always represents the smaller unit, like pieces, while the base unit is the larger one, like a pack, bundle, or roll. For example, in a cement or construction iron business, the base unit could be a ton, while the secondary unit could be a bag. If you're entering stock in the main unit, you'll write 4, meaning 4 packs are available. The purchase and sale prices will be applied per pack. But if you go with the secondary unit, you'll enter stock in smaller units. Let's say you have 2 bundles. You'll calculate 76 times 2 and enter that value. Similarly, if you have 150 pieces available, you'll input those numbers accordingly. And here's something important. When entering purchase and sale prices for smaller units, always use the per unit values. For example, if the sale price of 1 unit is $250, make sure all other prices are based on that per unit value. Now, here's a golden rule. Be mindful when selecting the unit. Once a product is added, the unit type cannot be changed later. If you need to modify it, you'll have to contact the company. Otherwise, you'll have to manage inventory using the original unit selection. For instance, if an item is saved under the base unit, all stock entries must be made in that unit. If you have less than 1 bundle in stock, you'll need to manually divide and enter it into the software. Sounds simple, right? That's all for today's video. I hope everything is crystal clear now. If you still have any confusion, don't hesitate to contact us. In the next video, we'll explore more options. Stay tuned and take care.